January is the perfect time to complete some cute snowman crafts with your children or preschool class. Today I want to share one of my favorite snowman crafts with you. You need a canvas large enough for both of your child's feet. You can either purchase a dark colored canvas or you can paint one. We had some old canvases, so we just painted those. After the prepared canvas has dried, it is time to paint some feet. Just squirt some of the white paint on the bottom of one foot and then spread it around with a paintbrush. Once the foot is covered, you push it down onto the canvas. Just their small footprints are super cute. The easiest way that I have found to clean off the foot is just to use a wipey. Then repeat the process by painting the other foot and pushing it onto the canvas. Now that you have both prints, just set your craft aside and let it dry. Once the canvas is dry, it is time to paint on snowman features. First, take a brown or tan paint and add snowman arms. Then for the nose, you can use paint or permanent marker. For this project, we used permanent marker. Now take a black permanent marker and add a few lines on the nose. This small addition makes a really big difference. For the eyes, just take your paintbrush, dip the bottom of it into the paint, and then push onto the canvas. This gives you perfect round eyes. For the snowman mouth, you can once again use the bottom of the paintbrush and draw on your desired design. Now set aside your craft for dry time number 2. This part of the craft I usually do on a separate day. I want the canvas to be completely dry so that the children cannot smear it. Depending on the age of the children, they can either dip their finger into the paint and then dot snow onto the canvas, or you can help guide them. This is the final step for the video. However, one thing we did and I would suggest doing is add the child's name to the bottom of the canvas. The finished product of this craft is absolutely adorable. It is something that parents will keep for a lifetime. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to be proud of your work, productive in your day, and positively joyful.